Hi, I'm DrewMan. Welcome to my modest mansion. So it's a beautiful November afternoon, and I figured it'd be a perfect day to get up on my roof. Got a couple things I need to do up there. I found a couple leaks last time I was up there that I want to take care of. And I also want to get the gutters cleaned out now that all the leaves have fallen. I'm sure the gutters are full of leaves. I also have a couple sections of missing gutter guard, which I don't really think the gutter guard really does that great of a job. But I bought some new sections, so we're going to head up on the roof, which is a lot of fun, and get these taken care of. To be jumping like that. There's probably a picture of this somewhere in an OSHA handbook. As long as that window's pretty well secured, I think we'll be all right. All ideas are good ideas until they go bad, right? Well, that's good news. This gutter's pretty clean still. Here we are. That's where Santa goes. Actually, he'll probably go down that one. I should not be this winded. So one issue you could probably see better from up here, but we're gonna be able to get that from the lower roof. I don't know what exactly you'd call it, chimney cap. The mortar that they put between the chimney flue and the brick, you can see it's chipping off, and you can see the tops of the bricks, and it's all cracked. So we're gonna have to do something with that, because when it rains and we get like a steady rain for a couple days, that'll drip downstairs into the fireplace. Which, lucky for us, we don't even have a fireplace, so just a hole in the wall. The other leak, because I guess there's only really two, this plumbing boot. It's not in the best shape. We got ourselves a repair donut, I think they call it, or boot. I don't really know, but we're gonna get that put in there. I stand corrected. Those gutter guards actually do work. Look at that sucker. The only spot that's dirty is down there where I gotta put the two gutter guards. All right. Don't mind the bag on the chimney there. This house has 3 chimneys. Not a single one is used for anything. If they're not being used and you don't cover the top of them, and they get water down inside of them, they'll start to deteriorate. That's what happened here. And you can't see it obviously because there's a bag on it, but the you can tell there's some material missing right there. This whole chimney was just falling to pieces. Yeah, I threw the bag over it just to keep it from deteriorating further. So this is the plumbing ring that I bought. I was looking at them, they make this like futuristic looking 2-part contraption. There's a part that like comes down and covers all this, another part that covers the top, and then goes over top of that piece. It was like $30 or something crazy. This was like $4. I was like, yeah, this will probably work just as good. So it's gonna use for 3-inch, 4-inch. Pull that ring out for 4-inch. For 3-inch, we just kind of, that is 3-inch, right? Force it down over, and just like so. And now any water that lands on your vent stack is gonna drip down. This will shed it off and out onto the aluminum. Yeah, that's fixed too. I mean, like a plumber. Would this be a plumber or a roofer? Be sure to put that one on my resume. Like I said earlier, I've never been a firm believer in these gutter guards. Usually they just seem kind of, oh, what's the word? You know the thing. But holy crap, the leaves literally end right there. I wasn't a fan of these back like a month ago, and I had to take every single one of them off in order to clean, you know, the weeds that were growing up out of my gutters. But I have to say, definitely pleased in this $11 that I spent here. Holy cow, I bought 3 of these? That was excessive. It's gonna take like 1.5. Something I don't really like about these gutter guards is they go under the first layer of shingles. I'm gonna have to pop that up this whole way. You know, there's supposed to be your starter strip there, hold this first layer of shingles down, but if you got your gutter guard here, that first layer of shingles, I got nothing. Just tore that one. Alright, well, we're gonna quit while we're ahead. Shingles are a little old, a little brittle. I don't know if that'll stay. I just kind of set that there. It's definitely not right. Well, good enough. I don't think I'm gonna worry about this little section here. I'm just afraid if I cut like a little piece and set it up there like I did this one, it's just gonna get blown out. It blows out, it blows out. Fixed. Next. So I thought it might be a good idea to check these things here. The last time I was up here, I noticed that there was some goop on the screen here. These are the bathroom vents, not the plumbing vents, but the air vents. And I noticed there was some goopy looking stuff on the screen here, so I brought the proper tool up with me to check inside of there and see what's going on. And we found this nice bee's nest here. So this one looks like it's pretty full of stuff too. You guys come here a lot? Boy, how about this weather, huh? Oh boy. Slide this little tray out. Thing's kind of a pain. Okay, I lied. The other one was a pain because I put it in backwards. All right. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this video, partially because it got dark and cold on us, time got away from us, and partially because I don't have any mortar to fix the chimney, so I don't know what my plan was there. We're going to do that in another video. We're going to get some mortar and get the chimney cap fixed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. It's kind of short, but if you guys haven't been on your roof recently, I would highly recommend getting up on your roof and just doing a little bit of preventative maintenance. Just walk around, take a look, see what's going on up there. It's one of those areas that you really can't see from the ground a lot of times. You know, things do get old, they crack, they wear out, they come apart, so it's a good idea just to get up on your roof, just take a walk around, check your shingles, check all your plumbing boots, all your vents, make sure that nothing's obstructed, nothing's falling to pieces, clean your gutters out periodically. I'll probably do this every fall. I'll hop up on the roof and just check my gutters, clean them out quick, and check the roof, make sure everything's good to go. It's a good way to save some money because that $4 boot could have cost me a lot more money had I not gotten on the roof and caught that. Because something like that, if it goes unnoticed, they can cause a lot of rot and water damage inside your home. So periodically checking things like your roof is a good way to save some money long term. $4 for a boot versus, you know, replacing sheetrock and rotten studs, insulation, all that stuff. Just be careful on your roof. I know some people have some issues with heights, so if it makes you uneasy and uncomfortable, ask a friend, family member, because chances are you'll have a friend with an extension ladder who's like, heck yeah man, I'll go run around your roof. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be safe and have a good day.